So I would say, please, okay, can you hear me? Can you please start sharing your screen again, please?
Okay, 1 second.
You're still facing the error, right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay.
So if it continues, if we cannot fix it, then it's a problem with the replit, because this code can run on other interpreters for, yeah. But let me see first. I would like you not to put two print statement for function B, only one print statement, 5 plus the function B. Just only like that in the, but I still didn't see your screen yet, so.
Okay.
Oh, so what is that? Okay, so can we turn this into one print statement, please? 5 plus function B2. Why you say B2? Why you put B2 here?
Ah, I didn't realize there was a 2. Yeah. Okay.
And
No,
just
2 is
remove
better.
the print statement. So put it only one print statement.
Oh, okay. Like that?
Yes, and remove the bracket here, please.
Perfect.
I mean,
Not perfect.
not perfect, because here
Wait,
there is a
wait.
bracket on the 5 after the 5. Remove the bracket after the 5.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
Yep.
I see.
Mhm.
Okay.
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 So can you please now explain to me actually what is the output? What every line printed out belongs to?
Okay. So this we get inside function A.
Okay. And then the none?
Perfect. Now the none, so the none has to be from this this function too. Why is it giving? Oh, this gives me 7.
So
And then this will
uncomment.
give me this.
Yeah. So I would say the first function here. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, okay, this makes sense. But none here
Also doesn't make sense, right?
doesn't make sense. And none here doesn't make sense, yeah. Why?
So any
is it
function
happening?
that does not have a return type, and then if it doesn't have a return keyword, and then you try to print it out, it will print out none for you. So you are trying to print function A, and function A only
Right.
have a print statement. So it will get it out for you, which is this. But
And then none.
yes, and then none, because there is nothing returned
Right.
out,
And then here I'm getting none again because I'm calling A again.
because you're calling A again. Yes.
Okay, I see.
Okay. So
Okay, perfect.
yeah, let me share then my screen.
Okay.
So I think, can you understand what this guy is trying to do here? So in function C scope, this is the function C scope, which is here. He is going to return, so he takes Z as an input, and that is a function A, and then he will call it, he will build another scope for function A like that, and then it will return none. And then once this return none to function C scope, which is here, so none will be returned to the global scope. So we will find that print here got none here returned. so it will print it out. And like you said, it's coming from function A. So is it clear so far?
Yeah.
Okay, can you please read that code? This is 3 different functions, F, G, and H.
Okay, so I write all 3 or just?
You can write all the 3, yes.
Okay.
Write it one by one and then run and see, because there is a common code that you actually can use. So you see here, this is common actually.
Yeah.
Except that this different.
Yeah. This is outside the method.
You mean if? You mean this part?
Yeah, that part is outside the method, right?
Yes, because its indentation is
Okay.
same like the method. So yes.
So I only need to put x equals 5 once, or do I need to put it every time?
Once.
Like technically,
once,
I can.
and we test that code, and then we move to the next. So it should be once.
Okay. Okay, so we get 2 and 5.
So even though we're talking about the same x, this is x,
Yeah.
and this is x. Can you explain this to me? Why we are getting 2 different values, 2 and 5?
Yeah, so it's the same thing as earlier. The one in the method is on its own, like,
Scope.
what was the word? Yeah, on its own scope. But yeah, compared to the one that is outside.
Okay.
It's just the same thing.
Then okay. So
Okay,
what about here? Can you go for the G?
Yeah, G. Okay, print x. Print x. Okay. So yeah, 5, 6, 5. Similar to what we saw earlier.
5.
6, 5.
5 here,
6, and
6
then
here, and then here 5.
And then 5 again. Yeah.
So
correct.
how he managed to get the x here, even though the x is not passed as an input? Any idea?
It doesn't matter, right? Even if it's after the method, it will still get the x, right?
You sure? So it means that
Okay.
this scope are able to have access to the global scope. So this is a local scope.
Yeah.
Okay, good. And what about here?
Okay, the third one, hy. Comment this one. X plus equals 1, x equals 5, hx. Oh, I get an error.
What is the error and why you are getting it?
Line. Okay, line in h x plus. Oh, wait. Whoa, what's happening? This is not getting the global X, or
Yes, it's not. Wait, you are able. Okay, can we try one? See. So can we print here X just before this line, right? Print
yeah,
X. See if you're able to get it or not.
no, I just get an error.
You still get an error with the print X?
I still get the same error, yeah.
You sure? Even print X also get an error?
Yeah.
You sure? No.
Nothing gets printed. Yeah, there's no print. There is no print value.
No print value. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you please share then? Let me see. Have a look at the
Yeah.
code.
Yeah.
Even though we already do that before, but you already do it in the G. In the G here.
Yeah, in the
You
G
already
it
do it.
works. Yeah. But how come now in the H? Did I make a mistake or?
Let me confirm that we don't have a mistake here. Can
Yeah.
you let me see here what is this guy is saying. Cannot access local variable X where it is associated with the value. This is H and Y, but we managed to get that with a G. Can you comment that line? Okay, try to run. So we are able to print it. So
but I can't
the
plus.
error is just because of, so yeah, okay, that's why it's in the G, it works. So it is just error because of this X. So, okay, you are not able.
But how come?
So see, this print, he add 1 to the X and he prints them, but he does not store inside X something. He cannot do that. So you are not able to modify the global X inside your scope. You're not able to modify, but you are able to create a copy from it.
So here for F, because I put X equals 1,
you redefine a new X.
Right.
Actually, this X is different from the global one.
Yeah, it's a new X. Yeah.
Okay, can we do something here? Can we say in this? So we said that, so if you put here X equal 1 or equal 5 even inside here, instead of the print, put X equal 5 and then enable that code.
Yeah, it should work, right?
Yes, it should, but the indentation have a problem.
Oh.
So it works?
Well, I didn't print it, right? But I think it works. Yeah.
Okay, so what I want to say is that you are not allowed to change the global X inside it. You're able to print it, yes, but you cannot change it.
Yeah.
Is that clear?
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, let me then continue, please.
Actually, I need to go already.
Yeah,
I have
okay.
something on.
Okay. Then we continue next class. Take care.
Okay.
See you.
Okay.
Thanks a lot.
Yeah, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.